Tired of hearing the same advice when it comes to prostate health? We all know about eating healthy, exercising, and taking certain supplements. But what if I told you there are some lesser-known hacks that can make a huge difference in maintaining a healthy prostate? In today's video, I'm going to share with you some prostate health hacks that you've probably never heard of, but might be game changers for your health. Stay tuned, because these tips are easy to implement and could have a lasting impact. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel to help us continue producing content about men's health. Here at Health is Natural, we believe that health is our natural state of being, and through natural methods we can regain and maintain that natural healthy state. The prostate is a small gland that plays a big role in men's health, especially as they age. While conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, and prostatitis are common, they don't have to be inevitable. Unfortunately, many men don't take action to protect their prostate until symptoms like difficulty urinating or discomfort begin. But by being proactive, you can significantly lower your risk of developing prostate problems. And today, we're not just talking about the usual advice. You're going to discover some unique and practical tips that can boost your prostate health. 7 prostate health hacks you've never heard of. 7. Ditch the tight underwear. Believe it or not, tight-fitting underwear might be causing your prostate more harm than you think. Wearing tight briefs can reduce airflow and increase heat in the pelvic area, which may contribute to inflammation and discomfort over time. Instead, opt for looser-fitting boxers or breathable fabrics to improve circulation and reduce irritation in the pelvic region. Pollen extract has been used in traditional medicine to support prostate health, but it's still relatively unknown to many. Studies have shown that pollen extract can help reduce inflammation, ease symptoms of an enlarged prostate, and improve urinary function. You can find it in supplement form, and it's a great addition to your daily health routine if you're looking to keep your prostate in check. We all know hydration is essential for overall health, but adding a bit of lemon to your water might take your prostate health to the next level. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and detoxify the body. This simple hack not only boosts your immune system, but can also support your prostate by promoting a healthier urinary tract. Taking a cold shower might sound uncomfortable, but it's actually a fantastic way to improve circulation and reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your prostate. Cold water stimulates blood flow, which can help with tissue repair and reduce swelling. Try ending your shower with a burst of cold water to give your prostate the circulation boost it needs. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, both of which have anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of flax seeds has been linked to lower rates of prostate cancer and reduced symptoms of BPH. Sprinkle some ground flaxseed on your cereal or in your smoothie to easily incorporate this prostate-supporting superfood into your diet. Zinc is an essential mineral that's vital for maintaining prostate health, but many men aren't getting enough of it in their diets. Zinc helps regulate testosterone levels and reduce prostate enlargement. Foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and beans are rich in zinc, or you can opt for a quality zinc supplement to ensure you're getting enough. Did you know that when you eat could be just as important as what you eat when it comes to prostate health? Time-restricted eating, or intermittent fasting, has been shown to improve hormone regulation and reduce inflammation, both of which are critical for prostate health. Try limiting your eating window to 8 to 10 hours a day to give your body more time to repair and recover. Bonus hack: avoid long hours of sitting. Here's a bonus hack that often goes overlooked. Sitting for long periods of time can put a lot of pressure on your prostate, potentially leading to inflammation and discomfort. If you have a desk job or spend a lot of time sitting, make sure to take breaks to stand up, walk around, and stretch. A few minutes of movement every hour can make a big difference in keeping your prostate healthy. In summary, taking care of your prostate doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Simple, everyday changes like switching to looser underwear, incorporating flaxseed into your diet, and practicing time-restricted eating can all make a big difference. Don't wait for symptoms to show up. Start implementing these hacks today to support long-term prostate health. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with others who might benefit from these prostate health hacks. And if you have any other hacks or natural remedies that have worked for you, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on natural health and wellness.